Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're transforming your space, no matter how small, into a vibrant, flourishing garden. Even the tiniest balcony or windowsill can become a haven for greenery, bringing life and tranquility to your surroundings. Get ready to unleash your inner gardener and watch your space bloom. Let's get started and make your green oasis a reality. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So grab your tools and let's dive in. Now, let's talk vertical gardening. This innovative approach is perfect for those who want to maximize their gardening space. This hack is a stroke of pure genius, utilizing something we all have, a hanging shoe organizer. It's a simple yet effective way to create a vertical garden. Imagine a cascade of vibrant herbs, luscious strawberries, and even small vegetables growing right outside your window. Or delicate flowers, all gracefully cascading from a repurposed shoe organizer. The possibilities are endless. This method is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly practical, especially for those with limited floor space. It's perfect for urban gardening or small balconies. Each pocket becomes a miniature planter, carefully nurturing life and infusing your space with the refreshing scent of nature. You can grow a variety of plants in these pockets. Simply choose a sturdy shoe organizer, preferably one made from breathable fabric, and hang it securely in a well-lit area. This ensures your plants get the sunlight they need. Fill each pocket with nutrient-rich potting mix and your chosen plants. Make sure to select plants that thrive in similar conditions. Remember to water your plants regularly, allowing excess water to drain. This will keep your vertical garden healthy and flourishing. Let's talk about transforming ordinary objects into extraordinary gardens. Today's star, the humble wooden pallet. Often overlooked, a simple pallet can be reborn as a stunning vertical garden, bringing life and texture to a plain fence or wall. This DIY project not only maximizes space, but also adds a touch of rustic charm to your outdoor area. Start by selecting a sturdy pallet and giving it a good cleaning. Create individual planters using landscape fabric, carefully stapling it to create pockets for your chosen plants. From cascading succulents to fragrant herbs, the possibilities are endless. As you watch your pallet garden flourish, it becomes a testament to your ingenuity and love for nature. Life can get busy, and sometimes our plant babies might not get the attention they deserve. But fear not. Self-watering planters are here to revolutionize your gardening routine, ensuring your plants thrive even when you're on the go. These ingenious planters take the guesswork out of plant care, providing a consistent supply of water and nutrients, keeping your plants happy and hydrated for days or even weeks at a time. Self-watering planters come in all shapes and sizes, from sleek and modern to charmingly rustic. You can even create your own using recycled materials. Imagine the satisfaction of giving new life to an old plastic bottle, transforming it into a vessel of nourishment for your beloved plants. Let's talk about maximizing yield, even in the smallest of spaces. Whether you have a tiny balcony, a small patio, or just a sunny windowsill, there's a way to grow your own food. Today's secret weapon? Grow bags. These innovative containers are transforming the way we think about urban gardening. These fabric wonders are a game changer for urban gardeners, balcony farmers, and anyone with limited square footage. They offer a flexible and efficient solution for growing a variety of plants. Grow bags allow for optimal root development, leading to healthier plants and bountiful harvests. The breathable fabric ensures that roots get the air they need, preventing issues like root rot. It's about making the most of every inch, proving that you don't need a sprawling backyard to experience the joy of growing your own food. With grow bags, you can cultivate a lush garden in the smallest of spaces. Grow bags are incredibly versatile, fitting perfectly on patios, balconies, or even sunny windowsills. They come in various sizes, making it easy to find the right one for your space. They're lightweight, making them easy to move around as needed, and their porous fabric allows for excellent drainage, preventing root rot and promoting healthy air circulation. This means your plants can thrive without the risk of overwatering. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony and being greeted by a miniature edible garden bursting with life and flavor. With grow bags, this dream can become a reality no matter how limited your space may be. Additionally, grow bags are reusable and eco-friendly, making them a sustainable choice for your gardening needs. They can be easily stored when not in use, saving space and reducing clutter, so why not give grow bags a try? Transform your small space into a green oasis and enjoy the benefits of homegrown produce no matter where you live. Let's embark on a journey of sustainable gardening where we can make a significant impact on our environment. Today we'll explore how to create a DIY drip irrigation system made from recycled plastic bottles, a simple yet effective solution. This ingenious method not only conserves water, which is crucial for our planet, but also provides a consistent and targeted water supply directly to your plant's roots, ensuring they get the moisture they need. To create your own DIY drip irrigation system, simply gather some empty plastic bottles that you would otherwise discard, give them a good cleaning to remove any residues or labels, and then carefully poke small holes in the caps or along the sides. These holes will allow the water to drip out slowly. Bury these bottles near your plants, leaving the necks exposed. Fill them with water and make sure they are securely placed. Watch as the water slowly seeps out, providing a steady and controlled supply of moisture to the soil. This method ensures that the roots receive a consistent supply of water, which is essential for their growth and health. It's a simple yet effective method that promotes healthy plant growth, leading to a more vibrant and flourishing garden. By adopting this eco-friendly irrigation system, you're not only conserving this precious resource, but also contributing to a more sustainable future. Remember, every drop counts. Let's make our gardens greener and our planet healthier. Let's unleash our creativity and give those empty cans a new lease on life by transforming them into charming and unique planters. Imagine vibrant flowers cascading from a repurposed coffee can, or a collection of herbs thriving in colorful soup cans. Gather your empty cans, give them a thorough cleaning, and let your imagination run wild. You can paint them in vibrant hues, wrap them in colorful fabric, or even decoupage them with pretty paper napkins. It's a fun and therapeutic process that allows you to express your creativity while creating a unique and sustainable home for your beloved plants. There you have it. We've explored a world of ingenious gardening hacks that transform even the tiniest spaces into flourishing green havens. Which hack sparked the most joy for you? Which one will you try first? Share your thoughts and gardening adventures in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more inspiring ideas. And until next time, happy gardening, celebrate your green success and keep growing.